So when I came and I was told by Prabhupada's secretary that I should not touch Prabhupada's feet. Prabhupada said that no one should touch his feet. So I was massaging Prabhupada's legs. So then Prabhupada came to know that who's massaging him. Then he asked, why you're not massaging my feet? I said, Prabhupada, I'm told that no one should touch your feet. But who told you not to touch my feet? You can touch my feet, not others. I felt it is so merciful, so kind, so joyous,
सर्वस्व तोमार चरणे संपिया पड़ेछि तोमार घरे सर्वस्व तोमार चरणे संपिया पड़ेछि तोमार घरे तुमी तो ठाकुर तोमार कुकुर बोलिया जान हो मोरे তুমি তো ঠাকুর তোমার কুকুর বলিয়া জানা হো